When they pass, the family is so distraught and they're grieving over their loss that they're not thinking with clear heads. They go in to take care of all of your personal effects and they see your laptop sitting and they're like, well, I already have a laptop. Mine's newer than I don't need this. So they donate. And they do that with all of their devices. And a lot of times, because they're in that state where they're mourning their loss, they're not thinking clearly about, oh, I need to make sure I wipe this device before I donate it. So a lot of times that device goes out the door to somebody new with all that information still on it. It could be years before somebody finds out like that person passed away.
Older people tend to have older media.
It has very confidential information on it. We need to make sure that this information does not get out there into the wrong hands. So it's very important to make sure that you do take that step and put it into your will. You wouldn't throw your bank statements in the garbage, you would shred them. Why would you not do the same thing with your personal devices, ensure that they've been wiped clean? And in order to do that, you should put that in your last will and testament to ensure that when you're not there to do it yourself, somebody else is doing it on your behalf.
I guess it goes all the way back to that joke, if I die, wipe my browser history. You almost need to cognitively put that into your final will and testament so the executor keys in on it that, yeah, my stuff needs to be taken care of. The family keys in on it.